Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Pro, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM card into this device. So, to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool, which will come provided with the device and will look similar to this. But if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So once you have either one of those, you then want to take off a case if you have one on your device. I do, so off it goes. And the tray is located at the bottom left side, or more like a mid section of the device, so right over here. Push this pin in. Come on. There we go. And once you take it out, I'm gonna get rid of this card. So once you take it out, you can place your SIM card on the tray, like so, and then insert it into your device. If you have some kind of pin on your card, it will automatically show up, so you will need to confirm it. I don't, so it will automatically get unlocked, and it should automatically work. So there we go, that's all you need to do. Now there is one little caveat that I will add. So there is a chance that the US versions of this device some of them might not have a SIM tray. If that is the case, then what you would need to do is add an eSIM through settings, which is done by, I think, scanning a QR code or something like that. Haven't ever done it, so I'm not exactly sure. But with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.